Okay, we're now going to use the Bendpak R23 to mount the tire on the wheel. First thing I did was I cleaned the inside and the outside of the wheel really well. We're going to take this aluminum angled valve stem and mount that to the wheel. It basically, instead of giving you a straight valve stem that you can't get to put air in, it angles it off at about 83 degrees, so it's very easy to access. And they have the torque spec on that from 7 to 10 Newton meters, I think, which is about 80 inch-pounds. So we'll put some Loctite on that and torque that on. This is the tire we're going to put on. It's a Michelin Pilot Power 2CT, a dual compound tire, and it's a Z-rated tire, extremely soft and very low profile. You can see there's almost no sidewall on that at all. And this machine does a great job installing extremely low profile tires. So I'm going to drop a blue Loctite on there, and I use this dial indicating inch-pound torque wrench to torque the valve stem to 75 inch-pounds, and you can see that's what it looks like. Okay, I just lubricated the inside of the bead of the tire really well. We're lucky. Okay, so I was able to get that on most of the way by hand. And very carefully pop it on. Now lubricate the outside bead. Okay, I'm going to use the helper. I'm going to hold this down towards the center of the wheel. So I actually had to use the helper to push this tire into the center because this tire is so tight. And then what I did was I spooned on the last inch. And now I'm going to go ahead and hook up the inflator and inflate the tire. So I took the wheel out of the clamps, hooked up the air hose, and we're going to go ahead and inflate it until it seats.